I am in the middle of an intergenerational crisis right now, and I'm telling you, it's no joke. I have to choose between these two cars, both equally as brilliant, just from different generations. The 4-cylinder Altezza beams, or this, the 16-valve Corolla Coupe. Now you might think that is an easy decision to make, but trust me when I tell you, it's not. So come with me and I'll show you why. The legendary Corolla Coupe has been a staple of Irish and UK roads for years. And it's easy to see why. The little screaming 4-age 16-valve engine put into a chassis that weighs as much as a photograph of itself means all it wants to do is go sideways and have fun. When you're sitting here on a motorway, it's just lacking that refinement. I'm sitting here just under the speed limit and the car is screaming its head off. And let's be real about it, this is where you're going to spend most of your time. As opposed to this, the Altezza, it's still a super fun car and very capable of darkening a crossroads, but it's just a little bit more 21st century with that refinement, a 6-speed gearbox. It even has airbags as opposed to the twin cam. How are you supposed to choose? Do you want 80s back-wheel drive, back roads fun? Or do you want to move into the 21st century and still have fun, but just with that bit more refinement? I don't know. Do you know what? I'm just going to put the two of them on the website and let you decide. So get over to luckydaycompetitions.com and grab a ticket for just $4.97.